Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to edit cinematic styles video in CapCut step by step. This edit is simple, smooth and perfect for reels or maybe short films or aesthetic video. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then just import several video clips that you want to use like this. Make sure your clips are clean and have good lighting for the best result. And then next just set the durations to around 4 seconds for every clips like this. This will help keep the video pacing smooth and cinematic, not too fast, not too slow. And then now just tap on the clips and then just go to speed, this one, and then just go to curve, choose custom, and then just adjust the curve speed like this. Like this, and then next just enable smooth better quality over here. Just use better quality and then just checklist. And then just repeat this step for all clips. And then next just add transition between each clip. Just use pull in and pull out and apply them alternately across all clips. Like this, and then just now it's time for color grading. You can either apply a filter or just go to adjust and tweak the settings manually. Like this, for example, maybe I want to adjust. Go to adjust. Like this. And then once you're done, just export the clip. And then next just go back to the projects and import the exported video back into the timeline like this. And then next just crop the video. Just crop the video into this ratio, this one, like this. And then next after that just go to motion blur, this one, and then just adjust the settings to the maximum like this. And then next just go to effect and then search for wide angle, this one. Adjust the intensity, for example like this, and your video will look like this. Okay, like this. Next you can just edit more further, like maybe add more effect or maybe add text, background music and many more. Just feel free to make your video more creative. And okay, that's it. Now you have a clean cinematic styles video edited in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.